Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we're going to make custom sized letters that we can use for craft projects such as sewing or card crafts. First thing we need to do is create a custom sized document. So I'm creating an A4 document. Now that's been created, we need to add some text. So head over to the text box and add a heading, and we're going to select the letter A. Now we've got our letter, we can now change the font. So we need to use a font that's going to make a nice chunky letter if we was going to use it as like a sewing template or a card craft template. So I did actually find one that was quite good, and that was Hit and Run. Some of the fonts that you might come across are Canva Pro features. If that's the case, then if you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro, there's a link in the description. Click on the link and that will give you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro, so you can try out this feature and all the other amazing features that Canva Pro has to offer. Now we've selected our font, we need to go up to effects, and we're going to make it hollow because we don't want it to cut out a solid letter, because that's going to use way too much ink and it's not necessary. And we can reduce the thickness of the border to be 24, we'll make that 25. Now we've got our letter template. So to resize it, head up to File, Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. And now on the sidebar, we've got a ruler. So we're going to increase the size of our page, and we're going to move our template right up to the top where it's 0. And now we're going to use the little corner circles, and we are going to expand the size, and we want it to come down to be 10 centimeters. It can be just over, and as we can see now it's moved down, so we'll adjust that slightly and adjust it again. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit over, because it's going to allow you a little bit of extra room when it comes to cutting out your template. And now we can see we have created a 10 centimeter letter shape, and then now we can proceed to do that with all the rest of the alphabet. This is perfect if you're doing sewing projects and you're making padded letter banners like I made in a previous video. This is how I created the letter template for my sewing banner. But if you're doing card crafts, then we could select the letter again. We'll make a letter B this time. Again, it's changed our font back to Canva Sans, so we'll change it to Hit and Run, and we will again make it hollow, reduce the outline. So if we was going to do this now for a card craft, then we can reduce the size and make this one say 5 centimeters, and we can make a smaller size letter. And this is a great way that you can use this feature, but you can create different size letter templates for different types of projects. So there we can see now we've just got a smaller version, and this could also be used to create smaller size banners if you wanted. But this is just a great way of using Canva to enable you to make different size letter templates that you can use for sewing or card craft projects. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next video.